I'm Jeff Wheeler, I'm the Public Rights of Way Officer for the Forest of Dean in Gloucestershire, also covering the Offa's Dyke path, which runs up from Sedbury Cliffs down at Chepstow, all the way up to Redbrook here, where it pops over into Wales. It was when I first took over this role and I didn't realise that there were so many stunning places. Each place I went was a new adventure, it really is. So for anybody that's doing this section of the Offa's Dyke path, I'd say take their time to take in all what's round about you, because there are so many things to take in. Each has its own features. Nothing stands out particularly than the rest because they are all so special. As you can see from the view, absolutely amazing. You could sit here all day. Devil's Pulpit near Tintern's the same, and then along Riverside by Bigswear Bridge, they're all stunning places. It's absolutely amazing how many nationalities of people you meet up with on the Offa's Dyke path here. Recently Australians, New Zealanders, and had another couple of individuals from India as well. So it's been quite amazing just how well known the Offa's Dyke path seems to be around the world as a national trail to come and walk. You couldn't have a better job really to keep fit and healthy and to fill your soul with all the sights and sounds of nature all around you. It's, yeah, just amazing. Area of outstanding natural beauty and well-deserved title.